Hello guys, welcome to the new video. In this video, I will tell you how to solve a Windows application problem that is that this application did not start correctly. That you can see it here in this Godfather game. You will get that the Windows did not start correctly. The application was unable to start correctly. Click OK to close the application. This error is very common in some Windows program, mainly with the old ones. So I will tell you how to solve this problem. I will tell you about three main solutions. Coming up with the first one. In the first one, you can go to its applications properties. Go to properties. Go to the compatibility tab, and you can in this compatibility mode you can check on this run this program in compatibility mode for Windows XP, and you can select here 7 Windows 7. You can select what the application is suitable for, but here I will select Windows 7 and then check on this box, run this program as an administrator. After that, click on change settings for all users, and also here click on this button and Windows XP Windows 7, and again run this program as an administrator and click on apply. Okay, click apply. Okay, and here you can now access the application. Coming up with the second method, which is in which you can first I will disable these properties. I have made changes, so for that change setting for all users, apply. Okay, and okay. Now coming up with the second method. In this method, this error mainly occurs most of the time. It occurs because your Visual C++ redistributable packages and Microsoft .NET framework are not up to date. So that can be a problem. So go to internet, and Google search Visual C++ redistributable and download the latest package. So here the latest supported, you click on the first link, and you can download your supported packages from here. Now click on the next tab and download .NET Microsoft .NET framework and download the latest version. So here download Microsoft .NET framework 4.5. It is the latest version. So download it here. Select English language, English, download. And you can download. I have downloaded it already, so I will not download it. Cancel. So this can be the second solution if your Visual C++ redistributable and Microsoft .NET framework is not up to date. Now coming up with the third one, which is changing the .dll files of the program. So the Godfather game work on requires dx d3 dx9 dx9 underscore 27.dll, which file which file is very important for its graphics. So you will see on many of the videos that they say to replace this .dll file. So I also tried doing that, but that does not work for me because there was another problem. What was that? Let's see. So here go to Windows C, Windows, and sys ww64. I said syswow64, and you will see here dx d39. Sorry for D3 DX927. This file the Godfather game needs this file, but the problem is that the Godfather needs this file of 32-bit version, but it is of 64-bit version. So it does not support that, and it says the application did not start correctly. So mainly we have to do here, we have to replace this file from 32-bit version. So we will do that. Go to internet, go to Google, search D3 DX9 underscore 27.dll and download it from, don't download .dll files from many websites, just download it from dllfiles.com. dllfiles.com, it is very secure. And here go to downloads and make sure to download 32-bit version, because Godfather game needs 32-bit version. You can search for your program, which program are you using, because it's necessary that you have to replace that from the version they need. So Godfather game need 32-bit version, but the version in my computer is 64-bit version, so it is not supporting and it is not starting correctly. So click on download and it will be downloaded. Now I have downloaded it, so I will not download it. Now go to downloads, here you can see D3DX927.dll. I have extracted it from this file already. So this is the file, copy it, go to Windows C, Windows, sys 64, and here paste it. Replace the file destination, continue with the administrator privilege, and now refresh and now try to access that application. So you can see here this application, the Godfather game, successfully started. So that was the problem. The Godfather game need 32-bit version of the DLL, but my computer there was 64-bit version, that was not supporting. So guys, that was the solution for that error. You can try it for all the programs you have. First you can try to run that program in compatibility mode. Second method, you can try to update your Visual C++ packages and Microsoft.NET packages. If that doesn't work, then try to change some DLL files. Search for that on the internet, which DLL file that program needs, and you can then replace that from that one. So bye. I will in this video here. We'll come up with the next topic. Thank you.